Your Gaza nation, right about now, you know. Hear me I say, right about now. World Boss page, you know, come out and make a post. Then, me not hear BBC run with it. Me not hear CNN run with it. Me not hear the Gleaner, the Observer, the Jamaica Star. Now, most of all, me not hear the jockstrap sniffers them on the internet run with it. Only one person alone me hear broadcast it, and a blessed be Gaza Diva. And you know say she real like magnet and steel when it come on to Gaza business. No lollipop thing no in it. Say anywhere at all you there Diva over the world, 10 stars say a full maximum respect and full blast love, no halfway thing. Yeah, so I say no gimmicks thing no there in my game. No lollipop thing no there about it. Diva, big up yourself. A world of love for you out there, you hear me? No gimmicks no there about it. No joking thing. But here me I say, the World Boss page post and say, freedom is a must. It coming soon. The process I move slowly but surely. Blood clot. Of the world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch out, boy. Carefully. Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know what you already know. When I come for represent, full effective man. You know what I go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Here, Gaza Nation. Here, what me I say. The World Boss page make a post and make Gaza Nation know say a freedom the thing they write about. No, me not see CNN, NBC, you know what I mean? The Jamaica Gleaner, Star, and nobody a run with it. You see what I say? Me not see them a run with it, nah, no at all like that. They are acting like they don't see that, but yet still everybody did a put up viral video about oh soldier they are the man cell right there, so the man can't get to use no phone. Like them forgot say a prison the World Boss there, and the World Boss have anglers who deal with them thing. You see what I say? They all forgotten that. You see what I deal with? Now the page make a post and everybody act like them not see it. Anyway, we know freedom is a must and we not stop blaze the freedom trail. Because if the World Boss can so strong and confident about it, we not have no doubt in a way, because I years from the appeal, the World Boss make we know say, don't worry, you know. Because them not going to give our freedom, you know, them are bossy slave. But over there, so the Privy Council, when we reach over there, freedom is a must. They already tell man that naturally, actually, and fracturally, no lollipop thing there in a Gaza nation. Right now, we see Tony Matteron run out. You see what I say? Because him see Killer do the interview with the brother. Him claim say, Killer, I tell the brother this and I tell the brother that, and Killer not talk the truth, because the reason why him and Killer is not no friend. Again, it's because of one girl and one pum for two big superstars like that. Do you believe that, Gaza Nation? That's all I want to ask you know. Because the material evidence there for sure you. Check the history, check the record. Killer and Beenie Man a rival for how much years in the music, and Beenie Man take up Killer girl and breed her and married her and kill her and Beanie Man are the best of friend right about now. So I don't believe that what Tony Matteron talk about with him one girl and one pum pum business. I don't believe it's that make him and the general nah deal. Him nah come straight, him nah talk the truth. There's when I say, I would have to hear from the general side first to hear if I that because I can't believe say two good friends like that would have vexed over one girl and one pum pum. Me know you have friends who are closer than your family to you. Me know a friend business go because you have a whole heap of virgin. A little bit of friend you have. Your friend is somebody where you confide in and know things you're not even all your, maybe all your brother know. Where you are in reason about what things are going, where you confide in him about. Me know a good friend and superstar like that, them a beat one girl and the girl will never know. Say the two of them know, say them a beat her. Them will never ever give her the slightest hint about that and they will never disrespect her in a no form or way. Any of them chat about her, it have to be man talk. Them not gonna talk that, them not gonna disgrace her in front of her face or behind her back with no girl nor nobody. But if a man talk, man will talk about that. And I saw the thing, no joke shit not there in a head. That's what I say. A real way we represent Gaza nation. We don't represent a lollipop way. After the woman where Matteron talk about, after no Queen of Sheba, another woman of beauty, another blessed be Gaza diva. You know what I mean? So I don't know what them talk about. Yes, what I say, I don't know what Matteron talk about. Like say, a 10 girl with 10 different pum pum. A one girl with one pum pum. And you and the general a superstar. You don't use the girl. I don't understand that. You don't use the girl. Because a long time in the music business, way before the internet blast up. Yes, what I say, I want to go all over the world, go deal with music business. So I don't know who not chat about one girl and one pum pum. Then who know how to believe that? Eh? You know crazy or what? Come to that brother. You guys are nation. You see what I say? Form a joke thing in the inner it. You come and boot up yourself and run on the internet and I chat up your mouth about this and I chat up your mouth about that and them shit there. And when we take a stop, you're gonna say, it's a girl. What? It's a girl. Why you and the general and a friend again? You know what I mean? I will see the general and Beanie Man cross bigger barrier than that. And right now, them are still friends. It has to be something more where you not explain Matteron. We not go to take on that type of thought there unless we hear from the general himself. Yes, what I say? There ain't no way one girl supposed to come between two superstars. Especially when our friend where I come together and I make it song and I go all over the world, go perform. Yes, what I say? One girl, no fucking barrier for none of you. Yes, what I deal with? No joke shit not there about it. Me not understand that. And furthermore, me that forgot hear from killer. Me not gonna believe that. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's something that was hard for me believe. So Matteron them talk there where you make, me not really to believe that. And then you have some little joke talk in your thing. You start talk about your man know your boss gun and all of them shit. We don't know you as that, my brother. Nobody don't know you for that, my brother. What we know you for spin record, you're bad selector, bad DJ, nobody not talk, nobody care deny you about that. Because that is your talent. We know them shit before even the internet even created. But when you talk about bus gun and all of this shit and them things there, when you talk about it sound very ridiculous. We see you go at the vendetta party and you play Vybz Kartel, my brother, and I see some local youth surround you, you know, and you never talk nothing about no gun business, no busing no gun business, and the youth them surround you and act like, me don't know if I knock them want knock you out or them want tough you up or what, but I saw me see them come down upon you and your defense was poor. You never do nothing. You act chill, you're cool. You hold your order. So I don't know, oh no, it look like what? You're not afraid of big man, but you're afraid of little boy. Because you never ask so when they look about them, run your bunty just go on an interview and right now a gun business you are talk about and bust gun and all of them shit there. Something where everybody know you're not doing. You see what I say? Those are just internet talk for make it sound sweet or whatever. You know what I mean? Nobody not care if you bust gun or not. You're not the first nor the last man to do that. Look how much man bust it till trigger finger sprain and make shot raw or irreversible till them think are real. And where you hear about them. That's another thing where we are deal with. We not deal with that or we not deal with no negative vibes. We are wonder why you and the general and our friend again. You say it's a girl. That's what you say. That means it's alleged because we not hear from the general. To me, and my knowledge, when I think, when I thought, you know what I mean? After the action, it can be a girl. You see what I say? Because right now, we see the material evidence we're going between the general and Beanie Man and the angel. And right now the people them still a friend and even the angel and killer still a friend. So me not know when you are talking about right about now. You see what I say? So that mean when you are say it can't real my brethren. Killer have to go come and confirm that to make me think, say, well then, that real. Because I can't believe, say, as some teenager argument you have in your mouth as a growing man, plus una star, I talk about one girl and one pum pum. After we are top girlies, money not to spend, we are naturalists. Because when girl careless, them get captured quick. No lollipop thing that they in it. So all of them ridiculous argument the way you have Tony Matteron, we don't believe that. Killer have to go come out and make a speech for we confirm them argument there. And the general, you know, the 10 star one I represent. The world boss said, freedom is a must. So keep the faith strong as a nation. 10 star, the general, the people's champion, Gaza favorite. I don't know where these bunch of jockstrap sniffers come from and I try fuck up my video with beer fuckery. You know what I mean? 10 star, you know. I leave the lobby, you know, for them, you know. You see what I say? Oh.